But anyway, more importantly, as you guys can see, we're back to actually working directly on the game rather than working on administrative things around the game. There are still many of those that I need to get done. Of course, Dire Dire Docs is the first song in this playlist. I'm skipping it, chat. It goes on for a... Oh, never mind. No, never mind. I just thought this video was longer than it was. I thought they had like some extended mix that was like 30 minutes, but no, it's the usual. Alright. Hey, what game is this from? Oh, Goemon's Great Adventure. Thought it sounded familiar. I feel like I've only ever played that game twice. Once on stream and then once as a child. I never beat it as a kid either, I know that. What on earth am I doing right now? This is for... No, this is for the right thing. Why is there a missing room here? Oh, right, that's the entrance. Yeah, I'm looking at it the wrong way. So the first thing I want to focus on getting back into the game here is I want to fix some bugs. So we've got our map system, and it mostly works. Here, I can even show. What's up, Carly? How you doing? Well, well, well. Yeah, so if I go into the game, I can open the menu. We have a map system. You might notice there's a little marker here. That's supposed to be where we're standing in the room, but it does not work correctly. We have the means to fix this. I think step one is we're going to want to do some debugging tools. Because I think if I just make a very simple like UI that I can toggle on and off with debugging info, then like dialing in these rooms won't be that complicated. Like the alternative is if I can like make an exact measurement of like I just have an arbitrary value of like, maybe I could do both, like document what this is for something else. Doing great, how about you? Nice, I'm also doing quite well. I'm almost done building Possum's computer. I'm at the part where I need to, I have most of the things plugged in, but I need to figure out like the ordering for the wiring, like which power cable goes where for the power button versus reset versus USB power. That's the main thing. Nice, great job, thanks. I think I just realized something else. I need to, the rotation is probably incorrect. So I may need a rotational offset. That'll be relatively easy because that's just sort of like, rooms are gonna be like some multiple of 90 degrees off of whatever the default would be. So for example, right now we're facing the right way. This room should also, yeah, we're still facing the right way. But if I go into this room, because of the way I built it, I think we're gonna see that we're facing the wrong way here. Yeah, so we should have our back to the door currently, so it needs to be rotated 90 degrees, and then I assume that that one, it needs to be rotated 270 degrees, so... That is something we can certainly add. Yeah, really I just need a debug element on the player that prints their X and Y position, and then I can like toggle that on and off, and probably have it not run when it's off, because I don't need to like be constantly polling that information. Player scene, that's what I was looking for. I even have a debug UI. Oh, as a matter of fact, I even already have a label for this. Okay, this has no script on it, though. So it must be something else references this thing and then does it? Interesting. I'll look for the word debug in here. Okay, I have a debug scripts folder. Rotation test, animation tests. Well, that doesn't explain anything. Data. Maybe we reference this by name? Let's see. I do that a lot, which is kind of a bad design thing. Where I have like, well, hell, I can go to it here. Where's my globals? It's basically like how half of the retrieval of objects across scenes works. Is it just, it assumes that there will be a certain hierarchy to the path from the root node that will always be the case for some of the things in the scene? Which, for some of it, that's fair because it's just like globals that are always running. But some of them it's like... Dude, I can't find my game constants. I thought I had it open, but... What is that under? Oh yeah, no. I don't know what I did to my local Visual Studio, but the command I used to, like... It's supposed to be like Control-T, I thought. Or Control-Dot even, but neither seemed to be working, where you could just like type it, like start typing and then it will look for a file with that name, or even like a class with that name. I didn't reinstall ReSharper when I installed the latest Visual Studio, so that could be part of it. Aw, Snapchat's Bomberman64 music. That's our next game, the N64 Marathon. I'm excited. I love that game. Okay, I have no idea if that UI is even visible or if it's printing anything. Let me go ahead and make a background for this. Give me a color rect. Oh, I see. Yeah, no, debug UI needs to be above every other UI. Well, it looks like I had just borked it, basically, is the answer there. And this should be black, and then the text can be white, and then I'll always be able to read it no matter what. Gotta dial in that sizing, though. You know what? Hold on. Full rect bait. No, wait, no, not full rect. What am I doing? Yeah, actually position's probably just better for this. Maybe more like 250. This is just for debug info. I don't want to do too much. What goals for tonight's stream? Sorry if you already said I'm high. So I don't have particular goals for tonight. I just kind of want to get back into the dev process here, like actually getting my hands back on stuff again. But currently I am trying to fix the map system, just so that the player's position lines up properly on the map. Alright, that should be enough for 2 lines, I think. Brick yeah, brick yeah. That's this song. Wait, is this like crazy loud for you guys? No, it's just like kinda loud. I'm gonna turn it down for myself. Actually, I'm gonna turn it down for both of us. It's good to know though, if I'll definitely notice things getting loud before it gets loud for y'all. Is how I would prefer it. Thinks it was a little bit loud? Ah, gotcha. Yeah. Whoever put this playlist together, I don't think they did any like sound balancing, so it's just like whatever the song was like, volume-wise. Okay, well, now that I can see it, does this thing work? Because this actually does half of what I need it to do. But if it does work, that's scary because I don't know what's controlling it. I also could have just broken it by moving the thing the way I did. Yeah, it does not print anything up there. Wait, but it did set the text. Ah, man. Now I'm extra perplexed. Something messed with its text. Trying to find a comfortable temperature down here. It's a weird day temperature-wise in my area. Well, I looked it up. Nothing's looking it up by path, so it would have to be like something that's parameterized with it. This is where only having one script per thing is actually helpful. Just gonna have to check every individual thing. Oh! So I guess the player does it? That feels wrong. I feel like the debug UI should manage all this logic. I'm gonna make a new script. We'll call it debug UI. We're gonna rip whatever's out of the player, put it in there instead. I need that to inherit control. I mean, it already does, so it's not a big deal, but private label. Player. Export that bad boy. Arrive. Wait. Dude, apparently I'm out of it today, chat. I don't know why. Man. I don't know how y'all's viewing experience was on Friday, but I had a rough morning on Saturday. Actually, you know what? It wasn't that rough. So I was talking a little bit on Friday's stream about how I'm on like a doctor-prescribed diet for a short time while I figure out some stomach issues with me. And my hangover, while I was definitively hungover, was a lot less worse than it usually is whenever I'm hungover, which is not too often. I don't get very often hangovers. Still took as long as it usually does to bounce back, but I didn't quite feel as terrible as I usually do. I just clearly had too much or whatever. If not debugging, then just return. Otherwise, we can run this logic. And then I need to override start. We need to do this anyway because I need a copy of the player status. Actually, now I'm not sure. Oh, ready, not start. This isn't Unity. Gosh darn it. The fuck? Certainly was a choice of ways to I mean, at that point, I'm just wasting memory by putting an extra... I mean, it's a bit, but still. I can just reference it, I think. Let me go into the docs here. That doesn't seem like that would be that bad, right? Because that's doing, that's just evaluating a pointer, right? Which would be the same as just having a boolean in general. Now I'm not sure. I think it's 6 to 1, half dozen the other, so I am just creating extra memory use here, but I'm not sure. Though to be fair, this also is not particular. Yeah, this is just... You know what? Yeah. We don't need to do that one. Again, that's not storing the entire, like, another copy of the entire player status, that's just storing the memory address, but still, like, there's no reason to do that. Well, there's only gonna be one of these per scene. What am I doing? Yeah, this really shouldn't matter at all. Whichever way I want to do it. I don't know if that's in radians or in degrees. Although, if I had to guess, I bet the thing that calls this is related to the map. Yep. There it is. Or we could just call it what it is. Oh, right. That better be efficient. Won't let me go into it. Weird. Cool. Oh, right, I need to rep this logic out of the player now. But I guess I can set this up while we're at it. Build, so that I can get my parameters on my new class. Just copy paste. Might as well name this something nice. Oh, not. I want position, so go down by 20. Ta-da! Alright. Back up here. Boom. And now for the player script. Let's take this away and fix the errors. Oh, so that wasn't even wired up to anything, I think. Unless... It was private, right? Yeah, it's private, so it's not... Oh, it's commented out. That's why. Like, we were using this at one point, were we not? Yeah, that just should have never been in the player script in general. That's some bad coding there, chat. Oh, I already... Okay, yeah, it wouldn't have worked anyway. Like, copy-pasting that wouldn't have been helpful. Oh, wait, shoot. This is good. I should take the quotes from that, because that is a good thing. Yeah, I don't need that. Get rid of that. It's not really related to what we're doing, but it doesn't matter. Yeah. Cool. So now that logic shouldn't run if we hide that element, and it will run if we do. Yeah, and then that only run in scenes with the player, which is what we want, because otherwise, you know. Okay, that's definitely in degrees. That's really funny, when you get to 180 it just goes negative, but it's still like accurate, it's just... Chat, I think it's time to implement a no clip for the player. So that we can properly... I mean, I guess to that end... Well, no, because then you'd be going off the side here. God, Donkey Kong 64. Like, this is just an easy way to, like, get our boundaries right, you know? Yeah, I think it's time for a no-clip, chat. Let's add that bad boy in. I'm gonna check something really quick. Godot. Pound if running C#. Is it possible to detect if we're running in the editor GUI versus an editor exe invoke? Wait, what? Engine.isEditor hint. There we go. Oh, wait, no. Is debug build is not the answer either. This is from September of last year. They're saying it's not supported after doing some research, but I don't... Hold on. Godot is debug build. Like, what is that used for then? Overview of debugging tools, yes. Cool, man. The heck? Well, I thought this was the file to look at, but apparently not. Okay, os.isDebugBuild method returns true if the Godot binary was used to run the project, the debug export template, otherwise, or when running an editor. Okay, yeah, that's actually exactly what I want. All right, cool. Get that bad boy in there. Cool. I don't know what that other person was trying to do, but this does seem like exactly what I'm looking for. Now, I still want this thing to function the way that it is functioning, as far as, like, logging the player UI, because that I'm not going to want to have always on, just for the sake of, you know, whatever. So I think the way I would do this is just change which layer the player's on, but then I also need to freeze their Y position. Ugh. So again, it would be better if I did this in like another thing, but... Wait, no, hold on. I guess I just need the reference to the actual hitbox. It's not the interact hitbox, but this capsule. I don't know where this... There it is, the collision shape 3D. Uh... Well, now I'm not so sure. Collision, there we go. Okay, so it is on the player, because that has the collision object 3D. Cool, yeah, so all we need to do is just turn this off. Oh wait. Maybe this will just work if I, just toggle the layer, because there's layer and mask. Yeah, one of these is which one it checks for collisions. No, wait, no, because this is the same problem where, like, it'll fall through the floor if I don't do something special regarding that. Physics layer on the collision 3D scans, collision from scan more. Send one or more of the 32 different layers. Yeah. Right, cool. Alternatively, I'm sleepy today, chat. Godot. No clip. Implementation. Whatever. I'm also sleepy. Nice. No, I said nice, but nice. It's nice. I think I can screw around with this if I do this. Not import. Run this, and then if I go to remotes up here. Oh, there we go. Well, I can't do it on this page because it's not on this page. Okay, so we got our game player somewhere. If I were to swap platform wall layers. Oh man, this does a lot of stuff for you, doesn't it? Oh right, collision object 3D. Okay, so there's two of these. I guess I can't show you guys and change this in real time. Okay, I've just turned off their layer 1. Let's see. Well, I guess you guys can't see. Did not do a gosh darn thing. I turned off their mask 1 and they fell through the floor. Okay. I just realized I have the music on, don't I? I do, but it's low. Hello? Ah, no! The debug UI... Ah, man, that sucks. So... Anything that this is in front of, it's going to be a bother to, but if I do it this way, then you can't see anything, right? Oh, no, you can still see it. Okay, never mind, we're good then. Okay, so all I have to do is mess with that one layer, but then I also have to freeze, like, just stop processing gravity, basically. Yeah. Again, we did just get some debugging logic out of the player. I wish we could keep this in a separate place, but, I think the player needs this. Yeah, okay, so wherever the hell gravity is, we just need to, like, stop applying that when no clip is on. Wait, what the hell is this audio stream used for? Excuse me? The hell is this thing? It doesn't need to be here. Get that out of here. Player definitely shouldn't be having audio stuff going on in it. Cool. Okay. Private bool. Private bool is running debug exe. No, I don't need that. Yeah, no, we'll just check each time the button's pressed, basically. So instead of that, let's go with, oh man. This is not the right music for me being sleepy too. It's a nice song, but here we go. Oh yeah, I don't know if you guys have noticed. New chair. Probably haven't noticed because I haven't gotten up yet, but it's not really a new chair. In fact, some of you here may recognize this chair. I got a new chair. Indeed. Definitely not. What kind? Good for you? I don't even know what kind. It's got this little... You guys can't... Oh yeah, you can see that barely. This little logo on it. You gave it to it. Well, not you didn't give it to us. Raina gave it to us when y'all moved. Actually, I'm not sure if that's this one or if Possum has that one and this is the chair Possum was using. Either way, this is a hand-me-down chair. God, what? Oh yeah, no clipping. Yeah. My fatigue is real. I know what will help. This will help me for sure. On a fancy chair that people swear by if you ever want to splurge on something crazy nice. Neat, thanks. I am very weird with chairs, and I don't typically like the things that people usually like when they... or the things that people like in nice chairs are not typically things that are good for me, but I don't know. I lived for like 10 years, I still love it. Nice. That's dope. The chair I was using, I liked it, but it's been busted for a while now, and it creaks a lot too. And Possum's like, you should get a new chair, and I'm like, I know, but my parents gave me this as a gift, and it broke pretty quickly, and I don't want to be like, oh, sorry, y'all. Rip chair, rip chair. I mean, he's right over there. He's in the corner. I called it the cuck chair when I put it there. And then Possum pointed out that I have 2 other office chairs that I no longer use sitting over there that are in similar states of disrepair. So she's like, at this point, it's not even a cuck chair, it's just a... shit, what did she say? A something seating arrangement. Truly do have a lot of office chairs hanging out. So one of them was one of the things I took from my grandma's house when we were all kind of cleaning it out before we sold it after she passed. The other one, the OG Goon chair, has literally been around at least 7 years because it's been there as long as I've been streaming. So like even before I moved into this house. And then the other one was just a gift because that super old one I was using for a while, but it, like, that thing shouldn't really even be sat in, yet we still do have people sit in it. If it weren't so nasty outside right now, I would totally put it on the curb and wait for someone to take it next trash day, but it's all snowy and wet and stuff, and I feel like there's less likelihood that someone would take it, and then the city would yell at me because I'm supposed to do a specific thing. Let's do this. trying to think of, like, if I have to add a new button, like, what does that do? I think that's okay. We can just add it. No, it won't. I won't have to update, like, the debug UI, because the debug UI, like, uses that enum, but, like... Oops, that's not what I meant to do at all. This is what I was looking for. Yeah, you know what? The more I think about this, I don't know how expensive the call to os.isRunningDebug, but we'll just do it in ready. Again, it is just doing address resolution and then, like, casting, but if we're doing that every frame, even when we're not running a debug build, I would much rather just run it here in the init. That's not what I called it. Let me just flip the bit. Simple as that. Actually, no, not simple as that. Because this way we don't even have to do the input processing if there wasn't, like, if you're not in debug mode right now. So it'll keep the, like, final builds from even having to run this code. Oh, goodness gracious, what is this? Cutscene actor, which is from a character body 3D, so I should have access to... What part of the character actor is this? Collision object 3D.collision. Yeah, collision.layer. That's what I'm looking for. Actually, I forget if it's layer or mask, but I think it was layer. Collision layer. Oh. Well, that's cool. Oh, fuck. It's gotta be, if it's the first flag, it should just be that, but I'm not sure. Oh, come on. It's obnoxious. That's really all we have to do, but then I also need to, well, first I need to make this button as well, otherwise it will never trigger. Let's copy that to my clipboard for now. But then I also need to go find where I'm using gravity and stop using it if no clip is active, and then I think that's literally all I have to mess with. This took entirely too long to set up. Oh, that's a thing. Gotcha. If no clipping, return. Oh, shit. It is return velocity. I guess, let's do it like this. Not no clipping and not is on floor. There we go. Cool. And you won't be able to go up ramps this way, but that's okay. That no clipping is not a core feature of the video game. Oh wait, I didn't make it. That's a stone, Luigi. You didn't make it. Whew. How do I do this on Godot? I think like here somewhere, right? Yeah, input map. Here we go. Add a new input called this. That will map to... I guess F1 is probably like a good option, right? Q isn't anything by default, but like someone could bind like a button to Q. I don't know though. That's, again, this is a debug tool, not like, you know, something that everyone's going to be using in the game. I'll just make it F1. It doesn't matter. Although that might make other stuff happen when I do it. Well, we'll find out. Can make a controller binding for it too, but I think all my controller buttons are used at the moment. No, wait, that's totally not true. We have plenty of them. Oh yeah, I didn't check. Did I fix my menus and stuff? I did indeed. Well, pressed it. Yeah, the game does support different window sizes. How's it going, Epio? Yes, indeedy. So I have a suspicion that it's not calling this, but I will check anyway. I feel like I have not an obsession, but like I just have it over. Oh, okay. Oh shit! No, it is calling it. Collision layer was 1 initially, so we were correct to set it back to 1. No clipping now equals true. I guess we can check, right? Go to a remote here and then see in the scene what the player's stuff looks like. So it's saying they don't have... Oh, shoot. It is collision mask, not collision layer. Yeah. Okay, I just did that manually. I just need to do that correctly. That actually... Oh, okay, that is what I was talking about, where, like, yeah, one is other things colliding into us, and the other is us colliding into other things. So that actually is totally fine. Wait, crap. I literally was just looking at it and now I forgot. Yeah, collision mask. Or, wait, turns into something else entirely, but I think collision mask is what I'm looking for. Yeah. Well, we know that that works, so I just need to get the right variable. I don't need that debug stuff anymore. We almost had it exactly right. I think also... Gooning and watching, what's up, Raina? Okay, so now... I'm gonna speed myself up when I'm no-clipping also. Yeah, now I can just go wherever. Yippee! What if I un-no-clip in the middle of something, then what? Then you're stuck. I think there's no-clip again. I did something wrong. Oh, I think it pushed me under. Whatever, it doesn't need to be bulletproof. This is for debugging. Hell yeah, the whole Goon squad is here. It is indeed. It's like you don't even listen. Nice. Yeah. Well played. How's coding? It's going well. I'm moving very slowly tonight, but I'm also very tired, so you know. Sleepy? I'm not sure why. Like, I did go to bed late, but like... not extremely late, and I slept in. Although that can totally screw up your general cadence. Maybe that is just all it is. I'm also literally medically diagnosed EP. Sleeping in makes me sleepy sometimes. Oh, totally. Yeah, sleeping too much also fucks me up, but I didn't, like, I slept like 7.5 hours, 7 hours maybe. It's just I went to bed later, so I woke up later. Hell yeah. I added a ton of new, better Twitch emotes over the last couple weeks. Okay, so our no-clip works now. Oh, one thing I wanted to do with no-clip is add in a little constant here. Right on. Oh, got you. Big fan of Monka and DK Shame. Monka's great. I do like all of the Pepe related Monka S's and whatnot, but it's cool to have something that's not just more of that, you know? So you got like Monka S, Monka Giga, Monka W, Pepe S, or no, Peepo S. Thank you, Goon, for looking out for our diverse interests. Indeed. And there's like Bebo S. I think Bebo S might be entirely like a Moon community thing, because I don't think I've seen anyone else use that before. But I don't really watch too much Twitch. To be honest, I don't even watch that much Moon anymore. I think we could just apply this to both things. So, both... rotation... is... nope. I guess it's just that. Nope. Okay, so there's rotation. I don't know why my Visual Studio is like totally messed up right now. the extra context stuff is not there. At this point, I might as well just be coding in VS Code. I do really like the way they had the editor set up for GDScript, but I'm not using GDScript for like different reasons, so... Oh, right. Hmm. I feel like this could be an error, potentially. Whatever. Like, that might mess up with the animation sequencing here, but maybe I'll worry more about that once we have some animations to work with. Nope. So close, and yet... yet so far. Alright. So now we should both run 5 times faster, or move 5 times faster, and rotate 5 times faster when no clip's on. And those numbers are definitely probably not going to be the same for both of those two things, but we're going to see for now. Oh, I don't know, that's not too bad, actually. Shit. Okay, there we go. I don't know where I'm facing now. Perfect. Alright, I'm committing that code. Is that, you know what's... No, this can't be our first commit of 2025, right? Hold on, let's see here. Shit, it might be, chat. It might be the first commit of the year. February 2nd, no less. You said it. Let's see, what did I do? Okay, reworked how debug UI works and is styled. Or, reworked how debug UI works. What else? Added no clip, F1. Debugging tool. Cool. Okay, so now what we have to do... I'm gonna do this and see if it works. Try to math this out, basically. I guess I could do it this way, right? Like, I need to figure out the endpoints and width of this, so I'm looking for coordinates here. So it looks like, actually, you know, I should turn off no clip. So we're looking at like basically -5. So our left, -5. Our right, I'm gonna no clip to cheat. I don't want to get too close to that side because then we'll activate the thing. Okay, so yeah, it's 5 to 5. Shocking that I set the things up this way. And then on this side, it looks like it's, I mean, I guess I really need to model out to here. So it's -5 and +5. Okay. Okay, well, that's really simple math. So top is -5, bottom is +5, so yeah. So that is a 10 by 10 room, right? Exactly, I think. I believe the player's origin in this room is 000, but let me double check that, or at the very least, oh, I'm not in the right, not park main, park start. Yeah, it's 0xz, okay. Starting, or spawn at... Wait, no, that's not even relevant. The relevant thing is... Oh yeah, no, the player is not a factor here at all, because you just take the player's coordinates, and then... The fact that I have left, right, top, bottom at 5555 is what is relevant here. So yeah, we got 10 by 10. It ranges, like, it's centered perfectly so that the center is at 000. So we should be able to math this out. If I go back to my map screen here, if I can find it, park map. There we go. So that's this room. And what is your size? 150, 150. Okay, so we can work with this. This is 15 times the scale. Well, if you're doing pixel to unit, right? Yeah. Which means... Oh, right, the stats are on the root element here. The origin offset, I think, should be 0, 0 for this. And then map position scale definitely should not be like this. This got copied and pasted from the debug map, I bet. I think I said 15 times the size, right? So, unless I have that backwards and I need to, like, do it the other way. So the other debug tool I would like to use at some point... Oh, their offset needs to be... Okay, so... Right, so I guess the assumption is that 0, 0, 0 is the top left of the map. I'm thinking, like, could I mathematically do that instead of having to fill out an offset for each thing? And I don't think so? But, okay, so in the context of the other room, right, I would want 5, because that would be the, like, over 5, down 5, and then that should get us perfectly scaled correctly. Boom. I'm willing to call that close enough. About this spot, though. No, that's actually good. I think the only thing is, now I need to also adjust the position of the player icon within this thing, and I don't know how that works exactly. Where are you, Mr. Player Icon? Ah! That's the problem. The origin point for this guy needs to be in the center. No, no, no. You son of a gun. Or do I just do the full thing? I don't know. This might help. Wait. help better if I... It looks like wrong. I don't... It's not... Shouldn't it be like perfectly lined up with the... Oh. Cool, I think we're more centered now. Let's see. No, it's exactly the same. What if we do this instead? It also feels off-centered the way it is displaying it to me, but I don't know. Looks kind of the same, but see. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I think that's fine overall. It's not fixing it, but it doesn't really matter. Again, that's a temporary icon. We could use like an X or something later. Oh, yeah, but we wouldn't want it like centered in the top left though, I suppose, regardless of what we do. Oh, we need to have like a wrapper thing and then have it be in the center of it. Yeah. Oh, it's not an even number, is it? Or is it? I don't freaking know, man. It does get stretched weird when I do that. What on earth? I don't know what I'm doing with this. Oh, fuck. I forgot there's just like a center option. That did not work. Oh yeah, because I'm centering like this element in the context of this screen, not anything else. Alright, undo everything I just did. About that. So I can easily fix this in code, but that seems like the wrong way to address it since you can like kind of just inherently, like if I used a wrapper and then had an anchor to like center it within that wrapper's context and then the wrapper was what I was moving around, then it would always be centered. But should we map status UI, I think? Or not, maybe? Alright. Let's see here. Player icon offset. Or player icon centering offset. How the hell do you get the width of an icon like this? Oh, transform. Transform.size. There we go. Now what? This dot transform. You're kidding me right now, right? Oh, wait, scale? Is that it? Oh, transform.size, that's what it is. No, but you can't. What the fuck? Oh, because that's because you the matrix back, not Alright, I'm just googling this 1 second. Godot control or get width of control node. There's a dot size? What the heck? What? Actually, hell, I could just do, maybe I can do this? I don't know. Hey, isn't that rocket robot on wheels, I believe? Yeah, okay, so that will return a new vector, so... It says shrimple as that. Didn't use it down here, though. I need to do that. Why did I pass the delta down here? Weird. I might want to move the is debugging flag elsewhere, because then, like, I'm thinking like other classes could probably utilize that to determine like whether or not we're in like a debug build or not. They are kind of position player rotated degrees. Oh, I need to go back up here and then add the offset as well. I don't know if it's plus or minus I need to do. I think it's plus. Or I could just add the vector. I don't even need to do X, Y bullshit. Never mind, I do need to do this Y bullshit, X, Y bullshit, because I need to do it before I multiply. Well, I tried. What can I say? Alright, this should do it. Well. Oh, no. I want to do that okay, actually, I do want to do this specific ad afterwards. So we make our new vector 2, then we add our other centering offset. Because that's the width of it on this map. So effectively, I moved it like 15 times more than I needed to, which just threw it straight off the screen. And mapping is hard. Oh, nope, I'm still fucking up. Okay, oof. Oh, I think that 2-string I was doing earlier, well, that was in a debug message anyway, but I think it was redundant because it was already in a string interpolation, so it would just 2-string it by default. I think. Not sure about that. Oh, Chad, it's cold. Right, we're expecting that. Offset equals what? The fucking entire monitor screen size? Excuse me? Well, that certainly is an interesting take on that. Oh, I need player icon dot size, not this dot size. Damn it. That's what I did wrong. It still would have been fucked up the first draft I had before I moved the ad outside of the multiplier, but, Alright, we're back. We're so back. So I should be outside the map, right? I feel like I should be further outside the map for what I'm where I'm at right there, but whatever. Let's go to a weird spot. Alright, good. We did it, chat. I can live with this as long as we have our coordinate system here. I do need to implement that other thing as well now, though. So that only fixed one of the rooms, but now we also need a new parameter on the map room data as well. Map room data, I think I have a map folder somewhere. Nope. Well, there's map room data. Could probably move all the map stuff out to its own folder, but I don't know. Yeah, that might warrant that. I don't know. Map room data, room name, room ID, room has pickups. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, it has no pickups. Well, I generally dislike doing booleans that have like the negative value. I would rather just do it the other way. But the default state of it is that a room is assumed to have pickups, and that is a checkbox to just say like, oh no, you can mark this as clear the first time the player goes into it because it's never going to trigger the normal thing that triggers like the map to refresh its state or status rather. Well, that doesn't really matter though. Export public vector to no, not vector 2. This is just going to be a float. I mean, honestly, should it even be a float? Like, this should be 3 different integer options, and that's all you get. No, because if we have, like, a sideways room or something, I think we'd want to... Yeah, just... whatever. Room rotation offset equals 0. Build that bad boy. And then... Wow, I sure can name him, can't I? Hey, thanks for the follow, Mr. Pupple. How you doing? Happy Halloween? Thanks. Alright, so back to this though. A horror game? Horror game indeed. I'm working on the map system right now, the most horrifying thing of all. Okay, so I believe this was off by 90 degrees, the other one was off by 270. Hopefully this just fixes it. Cousin's also out working on a horror game? Nice. Best of luck to them. Making games is very fun. It is also a constant pain in the ass. It's one of the things you gotta love it to actually, like, finish a project. Got your voice act for the characters from his game? Huh? I'm not understanding. Are you saying you're like farming my voice by talking to me on Twitch? I got to. Oh, you have to. Got you. That typo confused me greatly. Cool. Hopefully you're excited for that. It's a fun thing. Okay, nope, I went the wrong way. Now I'm... Oh, no, I'm not even 180 degrees off. This is weird. Oh, right. My offset. I didn't write the code to use the offset yet. I just added it. Okay. So then... Room origin offset. What? Oh, right. So back in the map status UI. Nope, not there either. Interesting. Oh, it's in map data where we actually draw on the UI. That's weird. They did a good job? Nice. Good stuff. I still need to figure a lot of that stuff out. I got a team of people that are... I'm very thankful. I have a good group of friends that are willing to help me with my project in more ways than just voice acting. It's kind of what I've been doing on stream a lot recently when I've been streaming like me working on the game. I've been doing like design documents and like tasking out stuff. Yeah, my game will have voice acting, so it's just like full on gonna be Resident Evil-esque, you know, cutscenes and all. Cheesy stuff going on. I already have a code for a cutscene system, which I hope that that's going to stand up. I don't know if it'll get us everything we need in terms of setting up every cutscene, but at the very least, for most of the in-game cutscenes, we should be able to use it for whatever. What am I doing? So now I need to go adjust this guy. So far, no one else has touched this. I guess there's a song. No, wait, the song isn't in the code anymore. One of my friends gave me a rough cut of a song that I had in there for a placeholder for a while. Does my chat accept links? Oh yeah, totally. Sure. Go for it. Thanks for asking first. What kind of game is your cousin working on, if you don't mind me asking? Or I guess you also help with it, so you also have worked on it. Shoot. I need to work the rotation offset in here. Oh, right. No, here we go. Plus... Nope, not quite what I'm looking for here. There we go. I think this will just do it. Oh, but this takes like the negative player angle. That's right. So I might need the negative room rotation offset. I don't even know. Well, I'm trying to think now. All right, let's do this logically, right? So the problem here is that the way I built this room, like in the game's world space, it is built as though it's built the exact same as this room, but like rotated. So that's been rotated. That would be 90 degrees because it would be if I were to take this and rotate it like this. Oop, wrong way. Oh, I guess that... No. Wait, is that right? Yeah, that's right. Autocorrect's killing you today. Rip. Just this link, Cliff, there's some things, characters, voice actor for... Okay, betrayal, blue dude, cool dude. Pop sound means switching lines. Gotcha. Oh shoot, this room's not sized correctly, I don't think. Just realized that. Yeah, it's 150 by 200. Why did I do that? Huh. And so, same goes for that one. Well, that's one among many issues there, I suppose. Okay. The position of the room actually doesn't matter because I think it takes it from like top left of that room, but I could be wrong about that. Gotcha, gotcha. I will check that in a bit. Sorry, I'm like focused on this right now. Wait, so that is in fact okay. I'm trying to put my mind in the right place here. Well, okay, maybe if I just go, because it's a gazebo level, right? Right. So the coordinate system's like this. So the exit being, I don't know, is that where 000 is? No, that's the up direction. Where's your location? Okay, but they are at 0, and then slightly off the ground because of the player. Okay. Yeah, this one almost needs like a different shape here. No, keeping it simple with squares I think is totally fine, because again, like it keeps the map more legible, so we can track like the status of things. Okay, yeah. And then I need to do this thing. So, so this is like forward on the, wait, what? I'm looking at the wrong thing. So moving forward on X is down on the Y in the map. And then likewise, moving down in the room, it's moving up in Z position, which means I think that's 90 degrees is what I want. But the question is, does the rotation of jeez. I'm so lost here. Didn't mean to load that save file, but whatever. Okay, I don't know why I didn't have this idea before. No clipping was a great idea. Oh yeah, okay, it's working now. Alright. Yep, that's facing that thing. That should be facing the door. Cool. They're not gonna be in the correct rotation, but... or the correct position, but that's a different issue. I guess actually let's solve that next. So the edge of the level here seems to be 0, 0, or 0 rather. And then I don't want to use that 5 because it fans out over there. Okay, so that goes up to about... yeah, so it goes all the way back to 1750. So I'll put the bottom at 1750. And then the top would be 0. And then left and right. So this would be 850 would be our left, I think. Is this what we're looking for? Wait. No, that'd be the right. Yeah. Let's make sure you're still gonna watch it on stream, right? I'm gonna be honest, I'm not familiar with that website, so I'm kind of hesitant to click that. It's kind of assuming there would be like, I guess I don't know what you typically throw audio files on. You give me a minute to like double check that that's like a normal website and not some weird virus you're trying to send me. Honestly, it's probably just a bad idea for me to click random people that have just come in here for the first time links. I'm sorry. I'm sure you're not like trying to mess with me, but like the risk is higher than, you know, than what it's worth. Oh wait, no, not bottom. I'm looking for -850. Yes, that's the right. And then this side should be... Oh shoot, there's no camera over there. Dang it. Should really fix this room. Oh man, that sucks too. Okay, I can cheat this though with no clip. Alright, there, we've dodged... No, I didn't dodge the other camera. Alright. I win this round with my, stupid camera switching system. Alright, and then 550 is to the left. Oh, man. Okay, so this... Because that's right, yeah, so like this edge would be the top of the map, which means that this would have to be the left side, right? So you're looking at it... Yeah. But I don't even know if I factored in that way when I'm like looking at the actual map, so I'm... God. I think this actually is right that this is deeper than rather than or deeper than it is wide. So this creates for a weird number system. I almost need to there's a way to calculate this. Hold on, let me like type this So I'm writing a formula here. Let's see. So I want... So size is a factor in this. Crap. Oh, man. Okay. Does the rotation matter beforehand? I'm not even sure now. Hey, what's up, Turner? What we got going on here today? I'm trying to figure out a good system for creating the map system. So we technically what we have right now works, although I did have to add a rotation offset here. But as you can see right now in the game's current state, like the map tries to show you where the player is, but it is not accurate for any of the rooms. I fixed it for one of the rooms. So yeah, now you can see the little marker there. I mean, the marker's not great, but we can swap that out with any image, doesn't matter. So this now correctly has you know, this is the corner, or at least relatively speaking. And then, you know, just showing your position relatively accurately when you're looking at the map. What I have the problem of is you can see some rooms it's just not correct, and the thing with that is there is I have the mechanisms for doing this, I just have to dial them in. So I have this like map player map position scale and then room offset, so that like moves like where the player's like starting position is, and then also like the like general room offset. Or no, wait, sorry. The scale is just like a multiplier to like try to better one-to-one map their position as they're moving like back and forth, and then the offset is to like get them in the right like starting position. because by default it just starts in the top left. I guess you just saw that right there. Okay, so for this room, we shouldn't need any offset on the Y, because we start up here. That's good. Don't know how that happened. just instantly sets an offset. But if we look at the left and the left is at 550 and the right is at negative 850. So if I get the width of those... So width is going to be left minus right, top minus bottom. I guess bottom minus top because the coordinates are top left is 0, 0. Perfect dark. God, I freaking love Perfect Dark. This song is cool as hell, but the mission that it is related to is so fucking hard. It's really not hard, but like getting all the things in it is pretty annoying, and doing it on like Perfect Agent's pretty tough. I'm torn, chat. My initial plan after I finished my N64 marathon was to play whatever my favorite game was, which hasn't changed, even though I've played 100-some games at this point. Probably won't change, but it's still Perfect Dark. Obviously, we already played it during the marathon, but with Perfect Dark specifically, there are like 2 much better ways to play it. Like, you can play it with emulator and like FPS controls. Like, you can actually like have a mouse in an N64 emulator that's like specially built for that and GoldenEye. And then also there's an HD remaster on the 360, and I think it's on newer Xboxes as well, but the newest Xbox I have is my 360, so luckily I have that purchased, downloaded, and installed on my Xbox before the store went out. So I'd almost like rather play one of those versions rather than the N64 version, but that feels like very out of spirit for the N64 marathon. Anyway, doesn't matter. I'm rambling. Let's get this stuff working. I guess I can show you guys what I'm doing. I have a notepad over here, and I'm trying to like quantifiably put the formula in that I can just plug every single time to like figure out like, okay, just do this, that'll give me the offset given the room's coordinates, give me the other thing. You know, I don't even need to like run the game and go to the room, that's silly, but ooh, dude, we should add room jump. I'm gonna do that after this, I think. I think we're just building debugging tools tonight, chat, and fixing the map. Oh, fuck. I logged into Trello to show that I was grabbing that ticket, and I didn't do it. Members, me. Not that anyone can see the map right now other than the people that are deving on the game, but I'll probably eventually open up the Trello board so you guys can see, but right now, like, I'm getting everyone in, I'm making sure everyone's got, like, not their name, username. Okay, so I need to set the offset here, and the offset is going to be width. Oh. It's not even part of the formula, that's more of a note than anything. Room size actual is left minus right, bottom minus top. Yeah. So then the offset would just be that minus 2. Wait, is that even right? No, wait, that's not... jeez. It's... man. So I need to take, like, the player's position... How far away the player's X position is from the left. So I guess... player.x minus left. So in this case, we would want +5. Wait, no, that's not right. The left minus the player's x position then, I guess? But no, because then we'd have 0, because that the player x is 0. Need to think more about how I quantify that. Most of my players spawn in at 0, 0, or 0, 0, not 0, 0, 0, but X and Z position-wise, they're 0, 0, which is very helpful. Yeah, I'll be back. I'm gonna take a break real quick. Let me make sure the music's not running out here. Oh, we got plenty of music. BRB, and then we'll continue calculating this. I need water also. Also, new chair chat. Check it out. Yeah, I recognize that chair. Yeah. Bet you do. We've still had it in our living room till earlier today when I was just like, alright, I need to replace my one chair, but, so I don't know what kind of chair I want to get. And then I'm like, oh wait, we just have a good chair that's like upstairs, so I should take that. Okay, I'm ignoring the offset for just now at least. Let's figure this out first. What I want is... Oh, actually, I think I am starting to understand how to get the offset, but scale equals... I don't know the formula for the rotation, but it does have to do with I guess it's not even like, yeah, I can't really like look at a number to do that because it's like, this isn't like rotated in the map. It's just, I arrange these squares this way. I just have to recognize that like it's at this other 90-degree angle on the map visually. Ooh. Man. Dude, if I can like get this locked in and then like easily apply this formula to like any given thing, that'd be awesome. Okay, so the scale is going to be this. So we want, yeah, size.x. I think it's just size.x divided by room size. Map room size.x divided by actual room size.x. And then same for y. So, for example, in the last room, the left, yeah, left was -5 and right was +5, so our width was 10. I almost said 5, I almost got myself. And then this room size is 150, so 150 divided by 10 is 15, and that's the right number. Okay, cool. Nice and simple. Actually, I could just do this, because it's the same number for both. Actually, hell, I can just do this. Room size, map, room size, actual. Cool. All right. So here's where things get more confusing. We need to take the distance from 0, 0 in the actual room space over to and add whatever the left is to that. So it would be 550 in this case. I think that's all we do. So room size will equal distance oh yeah, zero zero in room distance to It's like I've made an emoji face now. Room's distance to the... what am I looking for? Oh. To the left / top. I think that's correct. So, for example, in this room, we don't need a Y offset at all because the 0, is at the top edge of the level, or effectively the top edge of where that room ends. Whereas their left is at 0, or sorry, the left is 5 pixels off from 0, so we need to set the offset to 5. Or -5. No, +5, because we need to push it over. It's us pushing the player icon accordingly, so we would want plus. So it's just going to always be the... wait, no, yeah. So it's just always going to be left top. That's way easier. Okay, there we go. The only thing is we still need to get... so right and bottom are still useful, but only useful for figuring out the room scale factor. Also, I guess to that end, in this instance, let's call it RSA, as if we're doing some encryption shit. In this case, I'm going to use a calculator because I am losing my mind here. So 550 plus 850. So our room is 11 by 17.5. Great. Oof. I mean, so we need the room size to be the right aspect ratio as well, which I don't think it is right now. There's not even like a lower common... well, I mean, we have a decimal, so there's no nothing. Crap. Hold on, what's that? What is that ratio? So 11 to... no, wait, no. Other way. 17.5 divided by 11. It's 1.59 repeating. So if our object is... oh wait, I'm on the wrong room right now. Our object is 150 wide, and that does seem like a good width for it. How deep should it be? 238.5. Okay, well... I can't do half a pixel, though. Whatever, we'll just... cool. My calculations are correct. This should work. Although I do need to put the other values in. So that will just be off by... 550. And then the scale should be... oh yeah, shoot. So now I need to divide these by those numbers. Ugh. Oof. That divided by 17.5... 13.6285. Okay. We will go with a good old 13.63. We'll round it up. Surely 2 significant digits are good enough, right? Or 4, whatever. And then for the X, what do we scale it on? 11. So that's 150 divided by 11, which is going to also be a decimal. Oh, great. Another repeating one. That's 13 point... wait. How are they both 13 point something? This seems incorrect. I guess the room is square-ish. Whatever. Wait, no, I got it both times. That's crazy. That can't be right, right? Oh, yes, it can, because the room is the right size. Oh, okay, so it actually would work if the room is the wrong size. I would just need to adjust my numbers. Yeah. Wait, no, I divided the wrong two numbers. No, I didn't. Yeah. Cool. I can alternatively just go back to what we were at and then provide a different scale factor for the Y versus the X, but details. My brain is fried from math. Yeah. I also overcomplicated that, so sorry. Also, it's not working. Good. Oh, I know why it's not working. It's because of the rotation. Well, that's... okay, that's certainly something. Might not be because of the rotation, actually. Oh, shoot, you know what? Also, like, 0 really isn't in the corner there. I'll get it eventually, I hope so. Certainly do hope so. Yeah, I'm gonna put this at 250 just because it's like weird to have like a random number there, and then we'll do this again. So 250 divided by 17.5 is going to be 14 point something. Rounding up definitely did not cause all that, that's for sure. Oh, that might have been the end of the... yep, it sure was. Now time for the relaxing music of the PlayStation 1. I'll play that sound. I think we've listened to this soundtrack before. This playlist before. I don't know if that rotation is screwing us up or not. Let me test this. Okay, so I'm going to screw this one up intentionally by rotating it by 90 degrees. If this should only screw up the way the player's icon is oriented, if it doesn't, then we'll know that that is a factor here. I guess I could have done it the other way, but whatever. Like, removing the rotation offset from the other room. Okay, yeah. No, it is still working. That the rotation offset works the way that I want it to. That is good. God, now that I have the no clip, moving normally is, pain. I guess it could be because of, well, I mean, definitely the scale is wrong, but, It's like wrong by so much, though. I figure out where my math went wrong here. Alright, let's check it again now that I've readjusted the numbers. This is really where I should introduce a thing where I can mess with the scaler in real time. That would be kind of the ideal, I think. Oh, hold on a second. That's interesting information. So if I move this way, it moves me up and down. So that's just not right. Oh, okay, so I guess actually I should be globally rotating the player. Yeah, okay, let's take the rotation off of this and see if it works correctly, because I think it might. I think my formula was right, I just need to account for rotation slightly differently. Or, additionally, maybe I just need to apply it in more than one place, like... that doesn't quite look right, but... Oh, okay, no, this is correct. The problem is I need to be applying the offset in more ways. Okay. That's 100% the issue here. That's also why the initial position's not working correctly either. It's because it's applying it to X, but it's not, it's like pre-moving everything. Crap, but how do I... Oof. Well, now I like want to just make it so you can only do it at degrees of like, or at 90-degree intervals, because I don't know how else to do this. I need to like swap X and Y. If I had like an enclosed thing I could like rotate, I don't know. Oof. Alright, let's try this. I guess this is where my enums go. Room orientation. Normal. 90 degrees. Rotated 90 degrees. Rotated 180 degrees. Rotated 270 degrees. Getting rid of the other thing. Nope. Let me get rid of that. Why is this not erroring? Oh, right, map statuses. No, map data. Map data. Yeah. There we go. So, yeah. This is... Oh, I hate this formula. Okay, oh, wait. This is really messy. I don't even remotely like this. Wait. Okay, no, I got this. We do this. This is still... Nope, this is not still fine. We need to catch it before we multiply it. But can I do it? No, yeah, I don't even want to do it before any of that. Okay, well, we can just pass the player, player X, player Y, and then, like, switch which one is based on the enum value. And then we need to throw in a times -1 on both of them if we're rotated 270 degrees or 180 degrees. And I think all of that will work. I'm not sure. I'm not even entirely sure that I need a rotated 180 degrees meter. But maybe I'll end up needing one, I don't know. Okay. Whew. Yeah, screw this case statement, but I do want these constants. I'll need them in a second, so... let's do this. Player X equals this. Player Y is equal to player Z, because, you know, of course. And then basically we just need to swap these two, if they are, yeah, if it's sideways. Is sideways equals current room dot room orientation equals this. Dear Lord. Or 270. Do that. And then we just do this, but do this instead. Okay, so that will swap them if they're sideways. Then we want is it backwards? We'll set that to whether it's 180 or 275 or 270. What am I saying? Backwards room multiply equals is backwards -1 1. Okay, so now we just need to multiply all of this stuff. Actually, I can even just do that outside of this. Well, I think that will new up 2 vectors, so I think this is like probably better memory management wise if I just do it in here, but it does make an already way too long line of text even longer. Oh, well, we're already doing that here, I guess. With that plus operation. Oh, wait, but then I need to use... Ah, fuck. No, wait, no, that's right. Doing it up above will take care of it down here. That's precisely why I put the things where I did. Let me just do this, I think, instead of whatever else is happening here. This is something that runs every frame, so I probably should make sure this math is efficient, like, just memory-wise and whatnot. Oh, oops. Guess I will use this case statement after all. It's just... See, now this frickin' sucks. I really hate this code I'm making right now. Oh, shoot. Oh, I didn't break here. Well. Okay. So that's going to get set no matter what, because we have it set to default. So it's down here, we add room rotation. And it's as simple as that. Whew. Hopefully this is the last complicated room to set up. Hopefully we just get things working from here on out. I don't have hope for things at this moment. Yeah, what the heck, man. Oh, I didn't set the thing. Okay, that's not bad. Should use my debug save thing to... whatever. To, like, save in that room and then just have, like, a save I can keep loading so I don't need to keep walking over there. Please. What is this thing's fucking problem, man? Hold on, I'm gonna do that, actually. There's game state. Need that class. Shoot, what the heck? No, not process game state. I don't even think this is used anymore. This is like something. Yeah. That is not. God, what is this autoload called again? Or oh, they changed the name of that to globals. What the fuck? When did that happen? player status, scene changer, item generator. Oh man, it's not data saver, is it? It's gotta be, I guess, because that's the only thing that seems to be related to data. Oh, game state is an object, but it's like a subclass that's only used for storing data. Right, okay. Cool. Okay. Oh, I need to, dang it. Only to set that here. This we need to do. There we go. Cool. Okay. Now let's go find the other os.debug build, or this bad boy. Yeah. So in the player, we'll get rid of it there. Player doesn't need to know or make that calculation or anything. Still keep track of no clipping for now until I find a better solution for that, but yeah, whatever. Data saver. Cool. Now, back in save game, we can do that same thing. I should have actually copied it. Don't know why I didn't. So if it's not the debug build, then return. Otherwise, process these. Mixed feelings about these being strings in here. I'm actually a little worried. Let me go back to game constants real quick, like. And I just need to make sure I'm not doing any reflection fuckery with the controls and like trying to calculate like how many of those there are when I'm like building the like bound controls for the game, because I don't want the player to be able to rebind the debug controls. That'd be weird. Or wait, no, I want to find references. I guess it's going to do the same thing though. Yeah. Hold on, what is this? Oh, this is a generated file, okay. Oh, right, well it does have, like, yeah, it does save actions for each of them. But that's okay, though, because that's only messing with, like, that particular button. So all worst it'll do is just not do it to the button that we're trying to aim for. Okay, cool. Yeah, adding more of these does not actually cause problems. I guess in that case I will put these in here. Cool. And then back to debug UI, not debug UI, back to data, nope, save game, not save data saver. Game constants dot controls dot debug save game. Now I need to rename that. in my input map here. Bang, bang, boom. Easy peasy. Oh, and then I need to add a new one as well. What the heck did we call it? Warp. We will make that F2. I could do control too. That's cool. I didn't realize that. Again, could put controller bindings in here, I guess. Cool. Okay, got those in there. Oh, actually, you know what? No. I wanted to change what those were bound to over here. We'll just make you F3. And you'll be F4. Cool. What am I looking for here? Alright, we didn't actually fix the map at all. In fact, I've been off on a whole other tangent now, just messing with the... Oh, failed to build. Cool. Ah, right. I didn't do two-string. And then same goes for you. I need the load game button instead. Cool. Again, also having a debug tool that would let me play with those numbers. The problem is not even that the numbers are wrong. It's doing something wrong with, like, not putting the player on the right side of that room. And plopping a save in here shouldn't be disruptive in any way with this. So we're just going to do that. I know this is still... If the rotation is correct, but yeah, the X and Y are not getting swapped in the way that they should be. That is very strange. Oh, no, it's not very strange. Oh, man, we did everything right, but then I didn't put all of the data in. Map room data, I think, right? Yeah. Oh, oops. Map status is where this happens. Maybe? Alright, I'm gonna break this out into a method. Oh crap, I don't have... I thought Visual Studio had the, like, extract method, like, hotkey. Maybe the hotkey's different. Alright, fine, fuck it. I'll make my own method. I really gotta get my editor situation improved here. What do you mean, no? What? You know what? I think most rooms are going to be oriented normally, so that should be less instructions run if I have that be the first case. I think that's how Switch case processing works at a low level, but it's been ages since I was in college. Why is it mad about this? That's just wrong. Like, that's not an int. This is that type. What is it fucking talking about? I think the editor is just thinking that's wrong, but it's not. I don't know, it does seem to be angry about that. The hell, man? Okay, I can't even begin to understand why that's happening. But I actually just got... Wrong method called. Give a dot where not needed. I actually was just calling the wrong method. I let autocomplete fool me. I actually just got a better idea for this, though. This is, I don't know why I didn't do this to begin with. This will be fine as long as nobody changes it, but I can't imagine why anyone would. So... It's dirty math, but it'll at least be, like, a little easier to frickin' process this stuff. So, instead of just doing this, like, switch statement, I can just convert the enum to its integer value, and then that will work. As long as Godot doesn't freak out that I have, like, non-consecutive values in my enum, I don't know why it would. But also, what's up, Quomitter? How's it going? Welcome on in. Okay, that's good. Or wait, what am I doing? I didn't change anything just now. Well, I mean, I changed how this flow of stuff works, but... What I need to actually do now is figure out why the heck this is not pulling the correct values. Oh, yeah, no, that's what I thought. I have it all correctly, like, put together, but then I forgot to update the player references to player pause. So we can't rely on that due to the potential rotation of a room. Which is why we have all this garbage up here. Okay. There we go. And it magically works now. Nope. In fact, it would appear that the arrow rotation is just wrong now, which is very strange. Well, it's wrong in a very different way now. That's weird. Is this not a straight line from this side to that side? It must be, right? It seems like it's on like a very slight slope based off the coordinates I'm seeing here. Oh, wait a minute, chat. I mixed up. Okay, well... What did I write? Okay, so this looks like it's... Man, I don't know why I'm doing it this way. Let's go in the level editor and just check. Alright, if I were to place the player here... Like, at the edge here... What on earth? How is their position not changed? Oh, Z changed, duh. So that would be like 7 or whatever, right? Or Where are we at here? Why am I getting, like, vastly different numbers than I initially had? I recorded that, like, 8.5. But that matches what we just saw when I was running it, too, so it's not even like... It's not even like I'm just printing the wrong thing to my debug. I don't know what's up with that. Here it's putting me at like 5.5, which is also just strange. Okay. But our Z should be like 5.5 to 8.5. Okay, no, that is the negative 8.5 I had. So 5.5 is distance to the other, like, to the left wall, essentially, on the map. Let me have it just print out. Oh, God, I don't know how to do this like without printing, like spam printing it. This is gonna print it like 80 times. Oof. I guess I could just like open it and then like close it. It's. Man. I do have it correctly, like, going up and down now, right? Like, it's just in the wrong positions. I think. Not new game, what am I doing? Let's take me straight to the gazebo. Save us some time. Alright, let's test it. I'm gonna go only this way. So no, that's not even working. Okay. Yeah, I guess I'll just spam the debug log, because whatever. I basically just want to print all of this crap. Not player size. Oh, I wonder if I did everything correctly, but then swapped X and Y from what they need to be. I don't think so, though. I'm almost expecting it to just not be set to the right thing if I go back to the editor. That would be quite frustrating. You know what, just for the hell of it, we'll throw everything in here. Get the full data, why not? There we go. Alright. I have more info than I could possibly ask for. Let us briefly run this. So we spawned it at like, was it 5? It's like 0, 5 basically, right? Something like that? Oh no, 4, 0, my bad. Oh, wait. No, what? Oh, I didn't hit save, did I? I did, okay. Interesting. What the heck? Yeah, that's just inside process, so it's not anything special. Why did that not print? Oh, I have to look at the map for... Oh, that was smart. Okay, cool. It only updates the position when you're in the map. But it does do that constantly. It probably doesn't need to do that constantly, let's be real. What the hell were those 6 errors that popped off? Probably like an overflow thing. No, show me the errors. Oh, print less text. Oh yeah, there we go. Alright. Clear position is 4, slightly above ground, and 0. Are they sideways? False. Maybe my X offset's just wrong. Oh wait, is sideways is false. Why is that? The hell? Oh, how did that get reset? Well, that would do it. Dang it, I even said, oh, watch, I'm gonna go back and realize that the map's not set to be rotated the way that it's supposed to. And you should be rotated to 70 degrees, I think. I might be able to steal the values from that one for room 4, because I think when I was making the demo, when I was like finishing up the rooms and everything, I'm pretty sure I just like copy-pasted the gazebo room to make the like other side room with the key in it. But it's been several months at this point. Okay. I will exclude that since I think that the problem was likely just that. Let's see here. Maybe at the end of our long journey. That's promising. I think that's what I want that to look like. I can't tell. Alright, a little bit off there. They have a script or storyline planned. Yes, actually. I have revealed part of the script during the stream when we were looking at, or when I was drawing the design document up for the game. I have not done any writing yet, and I still need to do storyboarding, but I have a lot of details about the game figured out so far. Oh, okay, I have this backwards. Do you remember the design development? Yeah. Okay, so this is a little bit too wide scale-wise, but otherwise seems to be working, and I'm rotated the wrong way. I need to do minus the degrees, not plus the degrees. And that's just, it's the same thing as the angle. For whatever reason, like, you have to do rotate minus whatever the player's actual angle in the game space is. I don't know if that's just like a weird 2D to 3D translation thing, but that also drove me nuts when we were first getting that set up. I think that's why I didn't fix the rest of the problems with the map. It's like, oh god, this thing's so frustrating. Well, that's just strange. Now it's wrong vertically, but not... I don't know why I can't just add an offset or add or remove an offset here. Or is it because I need to rotate it more? Well, no, because now it's just doing negative 90, which would be all I could do, right? Like 270 would also get me to the same spot. Or would it? Okay, let's just test that. I'll set the room to be 270 rotation. Let's see what happens. Obviously the positioning is going to be all fucked up if this is the case, but we can work around that if this is the actual fix here. Okay, so our rotation is currently correct. I think that's still correct. Maybe, maybe not. Yes, and then this should be facing the other wall. Yeah, okay, cool. So now it's just our position that's wrong. I guess we can do this. Is backwards, just change the conditions for this. Yeah. 180 or 90. Honestly, I'm not sure I need that now that the more I think about the backwards thing. Like, I think that might actually screw up those rooms, but we'll see. I'll go test one of the rooms that has that after this. Okay, so now we're facing the right way. Facing the right way. Facing the right way. I need to also test, like, half angles and stuff. Although we're always testing, like, micro angles, because, like, even this, I'm not... the player doesn't, like, stop at definitive angles or anything. Alright, well that is correct. We fixed it. Cool, yippee. Neom. Now, is this backwards thing... Actually, I guess this room hasn't been scaled yet, so... I won't know yet. So I'm okay, so the door is that way. I know obviously my position's wrong, but... I'm facing... No, I should be facing the other way. Okay, well, I'll deal with that in a minute. Hearing things, chat. Whew. Ugh. Our offset appears to be correct. It is simply the X scale that is wrong. Why is the X scale wrong? So the scale should be room size map to room size actual. So this transform size is 150. The actual size is 11. So that's 150 over 11, which should be 13.63, but I'll double check. Yeah, so... I mean, maybe my measurements are wrong. Maybe it's not 550 to 850. Let's double check. Like, maybe this was just an error in measuring stuff. Oh, yeah, you know what? Like, it should be, like, here, which is... Was that 6? Yeah, so that's 6. Maybe I'm off by, like... I'm trying to figure out, like, if the number would be wrong... Which direction the number would be wrong in, you know? So our left is actually 6, and then our right... Need to... That's 10, but I don't think that's accurate. 9's more like it. That's about as far out as you can get. So then 9, or negative 9 rather. Yeah, that's gonna change our ratios a little bit there, chat. So 6 plus, no. 6 plus 9, 15. Yeah, that would be enough to throw off the ratio. I guess if the number is too low, then you go outside of the bounds. Or maybe not? I don't know if I have that right. No, it would be if the scale is too high, which means if yeah, but dividing by a smaller number would have yielded a higher number, so there we go. So yeah, that's 150 divided by 15. Perfect, it's just 10. That one's nice and simple. I didn't see if the Y was correct or not, but I don't think we screwed up the Y. I guess I should just look at the map before... Alright, this is a lot easier to do now that I've got, like, a process for this. Okay, so if I go here... I'm facing the wrong way again, damn it. Did not fix it. Thought I fixed it. Well, the arrow's pointing the wrong way, but otherwise we're good. I can't see where I am. There we go. Nope, I went beyond it. Dang it. Or did I? Hold on. Yeah. What is up with this, man? Maybe it is an offset problem, because that's kind of... Oh, wait, it is an offset problem, because now the offset would be different. So instead of 5, we now have 6. That was, like, close enough that I think, like, 0.5 would explain that. Let's get over here. Are we out of bounds? Okay, I made it worse. That's obnoxious. Wait. Dude, this room is crazy, because, like, I'm looking... Like, it feels like I'm walking in a straight line, but I'm, like, somehow moving on both X and Z, like, a lot. That is quite frustrating. Now, is this even, like, less? No, what the fuck? I hate that I have no camera in this fucking corner here. Okay, so that does go all the way down. That's good. I'm going the wrong way. Alright, I've lost myself on camera now. Oh, wait, got it. Found myself. Okay, so we're in the bottom right corner now. Oh, wait, that is flipped, isn't it? Shoot. Oh, man, this is breaking my brain. Like, we should be over here, not over there. Is the minus code still running? Hold on a second. Alright, well now I've screwed it up. So if I go here, right? Oh, right. Okay. My idea to flip, like, do the -1, that we do need to do that. However, oh wait, I am still doing is backwards. Oh yeah, but it doesn't apply here. I can't just use one. Flip X would be if it's rotated. Rotated 180 degrees, and then flip Y is if it's rotated 180. Oh. That cleans this up a little bit, which is kind of nice, although I'm making even more variables here. Oh wait, no. 270 here. Yeah, so screw this. Oh, actually, no, I can leave that in. And then just need to also do this. Make it a proper vector 2. Gosh darn genius, I don't know about that. I'm struggling hardcore with this. So we want to flip X if it's on this. And then flip Y, do -1 or +1. Cool, and then we just multiply it that way. That seems good. You know what? Let's pair like operations together. Cool. This I just don't know about. I can't figure out what to do with this. So this works at 90 degrees and 270 degrees, but does not work at any other... or like it... Yeah, no, it is more and more offset as you get further away from those two things, to the point where it is off by a full 180 when you're positive and a full... whatchamacallit, when you're negative. Maybe this is a 270 situation, and I also need to do this. I don't know. I might have this just wrong overall. Well, that's not good. Oh, no. Yeah. Okay, hold on. I don't just multiply everything by that. I need to... I think I need to either plus or minus this based off of... so just like in here. Hey, little Bart, thank you for the bit. The singular bit. How generous. Clearly this calculation was not long enough already. Alright, I'm gonna at least put X and Y on different lines now. And then the after calculations as well. Okay, so instead of just blindly plussing this here, the last bit you can have it. The Y. Okay, that's a good start. Hold on. Are we cooking? That's not good. Oh wait, no. This is... I mean, we're gonna be off, I think. Oh, no, we're good. How goes Goon's House of Doom? Okay-ish? Am I at the back? There's no way I'm at the back, right? Wasn't even close. How did I break that? What the heck, man? It's close, but it's still... It's still off by too much, and also... The rotation's still not working. I don't know why. I do not know. Alright, I want to improve this in some way. Let's go ahead and... I don't want to call this every frame. It's super unnecessary, and there's a lot of... Like, these are all calculations, and they should be optimized, but, like... They're not... Not optimized. Like, even though, like, vector math is optimized in, you know, most game engines, like... I shouldn't have anything here that's like crazy expensive to call. Like, it's still a lot of things to call for like one like one thing I want to do every single frame. Now if the player's moving on the map, that's fine. That maybe this would be necessary, but like once your map's open, you're stuck in place. So we should only need to do this every time you open it. Wait. Oh, sorry, you're only the way you said that, at first it read like you were Yandere dev, in which case Monka Giga. No. But I see what you're saying. Just knowing the one post that that dude did with the if else's. Fortunately for you, I know that that literally can't be possible. So I know what that guy looks like, and I know what you look like, and the two of you look nothing even remotely similar. Taking hits is not going to help me figure out what's up with this rotation thing. I need to do the math. But also, on the other end, I need to calculate... So, the flip is working, I think. I don't know why it messed up the boundaries even more so, but I think what I did here is actually helpful. or doing its job, at least. Oh, wait, no. I've got it backwards. The offset's not what I want to be multiplying. It's the... It's the player position. And here's where things get even more confusing, because do I want to multiply... Oh, man. When I'm in... No, I want to multiply the -1... Oh my god. So when it's 270 degrees, the thing that it's 90 or 270, the thing that's deciding for what position your horizontal is going to be, well, not your Y, your Z position, which is why we have this is sideways check up here. But that's still going to be this. Oh yeah, because we're, okay, this is translating it down into on map space, and the map space is always going to be considered to be 0, 0 in the top left. It is like local coordinate system of its own UI element. I think I got this. I think this is still where we want to apply the is backwards thing. And I think we do only want to apply it if it's 270 degrees or 180 degrees. Does not solve the rotation, but I think this has solved our other thing. Oh wait, no. This is just the offset. We actually don't even want to do this one. What we want to do is take negative of the player position, not the... not the other thing. But it will always be this and not... I don't need to like worry about Y and X swapping due to the due to the sideways thing. Yeah, and then we can apply the scale at the end. That's still correct because that's still going to be scaling it into the room. We should have a better room to test this in. Oh, chat. I just realized I don't even need to be like opening the game up, and I mean I need to open the game up, but I don't need to load it the way I'm loading it. So you know that's a problem. What the hell is it doing there? So let's do this calculation, right? So it's starting at 0 here. God, this is why I hate this fucking room. Like, I'm trying to just move forward. Okay, yeah, it is definitely the Z position from the coordinates in the top left there. And that's currently at 4. And we started at basically 0. I think it's at 0, I can't remember. I'm gonna, like, show my work here, hold on. Start at 4. 0. We don't care about the y, because that's our vertical position. The map is 2D. We are just ignoring the y outright. Alright, so we started at 4, 0. Which means player X is going to be 0. Player Y is going to be 4. Because the room is sideways, so it will take Z for X and X for Y. Cool. And then backwards multi is going to be -1, +1. Also cool. So wait. Okay, yeah, this is just like, it's like the offset is off. But it's like the whole map though, because we're not even like, yeah. Okay, hold on. I need to like, I need to continuously sanity check myself on this crap. Okay, so the door is there. So to my left would be which side of the map entering the room? That would be this wall, right? Like, with me as the player facing outwards from this door. I think that's correct, right? Little Resident Evil action. Oh wait, no. Do I not know my left from my right? God damn, I'm like... Ooh. Yeah, because if I'm facing the door, then this is the left wall, that is the right wall. Lost my ability to know left from right, losing my ability to speak as we speak. So if you were facing 180 degrees, they would be swapped. So this would be the left wall, that would be the right wall. So as I move towards... Well, none of that matters, though. I don't know why I'm saying, like, left wall, right wall. So this... our approach... So as number goes up, we should be getting closer to right wall. As number goes down, we should be getting closer to left wall. Or I guess actually that's confusing it even more because it's unnecessarily a complexity here. So yeah. Okay. As the number goes up, we should be going towards this wall. Which seems like it's not the case actually right now. Hold on a second. Yeah, no, this reverse stuff is actually got that screwed up because that's going that way now. Okay, whatever. As Z increases, get closer to left wall. As decreases, further. Cool. As X increases. Actually, wait, that's another question. Damn it, I should have written that down before I did it. Yeah, I don't know why I was fussing with all the save mechanics. We can just do this too. Like, it's not... We can run from scene. The game is set up as such. Yeah, so the number goes up, you go down on map. And that is happening, so that's not a problem right now. Just gonna no clip. So thereabouts, we should probably be a little bit past it. Okay, yeah. It is mostly working vertically, which is good because that means some of this is correct. It's yeah, so this backwards multiplier, I think this is just actually possibly nonsense. I don't know if this will work, but like this is essentially just like 3 additions, so it shouldn't change much of anything here, but I don't know. No, I hit play whole game, damn it. It would be faster just load the save file than do any of that jazz. Well, things have gotten considerably worse. Great. Love to see it. We're moving in the right direction, at least. Yes. Well, that's something. So, yeah, the negative thing, I think, is just unnecessary, because we account for rotation when pulling the, like, player data, and then, like, past that, it's all just, like, assumed that everything is, you know, left to right, top to bottom, because we're working in the 2D coordinates after that. So the rotation of, like, the player's world coordinates doesn't really matter after that. Oh, here's another thing we can do, too. Okay, so degrees, right? So... 0... whoa. Angles. 0 equals south. 180 equals north. And then, this is 90, right? Yeah. So 90 should equal, oof, God. No, wait, that is working. But this thing is not working, right? Oh wait, no, is this just working now? Did we fix the angles? We fixed the angles! Yippee! Alright, cool. Got it. I think. Yeah, that's fine. Alright, angles are fixed. Now I just need to figure out what the heck is going on with everything else here. Oh, maybe I have it backwards. Maybe the X offset needs to be, like, negative whatever the other side is. So in this case, 850. Does it still satisfy the same rule of, like, the distance to the... No, because that would be the distance to this wall. The reason that that would have been the same in the last room is because the last room is completely square, so, like, it didn't matter which one you take. So I guess I just probably picked the wrong thing there. The top is still correct, though, because top to bottom it is, like, aligned correctly in the room. Yeah, so instead of 6, give it 8.5. And then hopefully everything plays nicely. It's getting worse. What the hell? Why is it... Oh, you know what? Oh, wait, shoot. Maybe there just needs to not be an offset in here. Because the actual, Actually, I don't know. I don't know anymore. I've lost it. Chat, I'm getting some more water. I will be right back. And I thought of something that I probably should have tried a while ago. I'm gonna feel really silly if this works. Back to Park Gazebo. Actually, wait. Now I'm not sure what I would change here. Oh, right. I gotta find the preloaded map stuff and then edit that. Map status. Maps. Nice. Demo park area. Cool. Yeah, so I think I can screw with this in real time and have it update. Oh, I was also gonna make it so that it only calls it when it needs to and not outside of things. Did not work. The player did not move in the debug UI here. Wait, did I fix it so it doesn't continuously call it? No, I didn't. Yeah, okay. So, current room... Where the heck do we set that? Set current room. Who the hell calls set current room? But this should be a reference anyway, right? So, like... The heck? So, map status UI calls it. With the room... oh, but yeah, it's its own data, so the map data thing, which should be this guy, I think. Yeah, room data's here, and then that's this guy. Oh, maybe you can't update, Nah, there's no way you can't update variables, right? It's gotta be a thing. I'll try a really big number. Yeah, no, it even says I set the... What the heck? Whoa, it converts the enum to their integer values. It's wild. You know... I guess I could just update it, but... Like, there's no, like, in-between thing that's using, right? Like, it has its room data. And then it moves the player icon like that. Alright, let me check here. It's gonna be incredibly spammy, but that's okay. Failed to build. Oh. Oops. Seriously, could be trying to fall asleep in it. Ugh. Wait. Oh god. Alright, it's 8.5 currently. Is it still logging? Oh god, it never stops logging once it opens. It is getting pushed elsewhere. Oh, yep, that's the copy that we put into the player. Dang it. Okay, well, that solves that. I forgot that I did that, like, weird clone operation. Yeah, forget that. Okay, I do want to optimize that so that we only call it once, and also potentially only while the UI is open would be great too, but I think first we should, is this Tomba music? Yeah, sure is. That was a fun playthrough. Oh, right, that would be in the inventory screen, right? Yes. Okay. Okay, now I should be able to adjust this and have it move. Alright, let's set it to 0. Okay, so that's a start, I suppose. Now he's back there. So, oh wait, what if it's just you set it to what the right edge is? Oh shit, I think that might be it. Because now we're here. Do kind of be where we are right now. Never mind. Well, what the heck then, man? Is it minus what the left wall is? I don't know what this wants from me here. So -6 maybe? Potentially, let's see. Let's see here. And I don't know if this is because the room is rotated as well, like that could be a factor in this. Well, that looks pretty good to me. What about this side? We're a little low, but that's like that's within like acceptable range in my book here. I can't trust that because yeah, I turned no clip on and I'm like zooming. Okay, yeah, whatever. I think we fixed it. That's good. Let's go back to the overall map. Need to save that value, which I didn't write down. It's no, it's just negative whatever the other side is. So negative, was it 5? Yeah. Oh no, 6. So negative left and then top. So keep doing that for some reason. So do I need that backwards code then? Ah, crap. But that does work though, so I think I need this? I'm not sure. Hmm. Well, let's go check seating area now. Where's your transform? There it is. Okay, so you're at 0, 0 right there. Okay, and then this room, I need to look at the other way. So that is technically the way it's oriented on the map. I go in a little bit. Put that like 17.5 maybe. We could do 18. The last one wasn't wide enough, so that caused problems, I think. So the top is 18, bottom is 0, left is... oh, I haven't done it yet. We'll just call that 10, and then... Ooh, wait, no, it's very different on this side. I want that to go a little further than that, so not 6. Oh no, 9's actually better here. Maybe like 6.5. 9 to 6.5. We could call it 7, I guess. Okay, so if it's negative left top, then it should be 9 and 18. Go back to my map. But then that's also going to really depend on how accurate I am with this, or how accurate this formula is, and whether or not it's affected by rotation. I think that might be part of what's going on. Like, maybe my calculation was right for the first room, because the first room was just facing, like, the normal direction. The good news is the other one I have to tune in still is also in the same state. So, this may seem like it's an incredibly, like, painful process, but ultimately, I think this will work generically, and I'll have a system in place. I need to document this formula so that anyone that's like making a new level can do the calculation and update the map accordingly. Actually, that might even be a good thing to throw images in with, so like show like here's where you get this size, here's how you sort of eyeball it in the stage, which angle to use. Okay, so so the actual room size of this one is going to be 6 plus 9 again. Good old 15. And then the top and bottom is going to be... Oh, wait, no, I looked the wrong numbers. It's 7 and 9 this time, so it's 14. Right? Oh, shoot. Yeah. No, 16. I'm off by 1. And then the bottom top is just going to be a solid 18. So we need a 16 to 18 ratio. Which is certainly not what it's using right now, I don't think. Unless it is. 150 to 200? I don't think so. How about we make it a little bit wider, and that way our scale divides nicely. Oops, I need to make the whole thing larger. To move this door slightly, but that's okay. That ought to be centered. I feel like this song was on... Oh yeah, because it's Mega Man Legends, right? It was on our N64 playlist that we were just playing before this one. Okay, so then taking that, going back to room 4. Right, we need whatever 18 over 16. It's 1.125. Multiply 160 by that. That'll give us 180. We don't have to do things this way, but it does give us a cleaner number. So if we shrink this guy down a little bit, then move him down 20 pixels. Wrong dimension. Oh, I didn't set the other stuff on it. Dang it. Cool. So now we have... Oh, those both divide nicely into 10. I feel like that can't possibly be the correct values, right? Oh shit, I need to put you back. But also, maybe this will work? Who knows? Swing and a miss. Okay, let's see if the rotation still holds up. Yeah, it looks like I got that locked in. That's good. Cool, yeah. Position could definitely use some work here. Now, technically I could keep that on the screen and keep tabbing back into it to show you, but it's gonna be easier over here if I do it this way. Room 4. Okay. Ooh, the other thing is I don't know if this is like a scale issue also. Damn. Certainly is tricky. I'm thinking it might not be, because it kind of seems like that is... Oh yeah, you guys can't see it right now. It does kind of seem like I'm only able to move within the confines of what the square would be on the map. It's just off, like, in both directions by, like, way too much. Well, 9 isn't it? What's the other one? 6? 9 is, like, close, but it's not quite right. I think 6 is it. Let's see here. Oh, I guess I can show you guys. Oh, yeah, I didn't get the vertical. I should do that. Not correct. Actually, wait, no, that might be correct, because there's a lot more space over there on the other side. Let me get the vertical right. Oh, wait, no, the vertical... Oh, it's going the wrong way. Crud. Oh, 90 needs to, yeah, okay, I got it. 90 needs to flip the Y. Otherwise, I think everything else in there is correct. Let me go back over here and fix that offset. So this time it was +6, which would be... Oh, not... Oh, wait, shit. Why was it positive? Oh, it should be 7. I probably was slightly off. Which is negative right. Okay, hold on. Let's see here. Right. I think it's just going to be 4 different answers depending on which orientation you're on. It's probably done this way. It's okay, we'll figure that out when we need to do it. I think this one was just, well, let's see. Room 1, what did we have for you? The offset was 5, and if I go there... So that would be... which wall? Well, yeah, I guess in this room we're not really sure because it's the same dimension, so I can't tell if it's like negative this wall or just positive value of this wall. But I'm guessing it probably is. Wait, how does the map look again? Okay, so that's to the right. So if I look at this way, right? This is what I actually wanted. So we'll just say it's right top, and then I'll confirm that in a minute when we do the next room. Okay. I feel like I could maybe handle that in code so that I don't need to worry about it overall, but whatever, man. Oh, don't play this scene. Play, yeah, seating area. Goodness gracious, how's it already midnight? Well. I'd say we're a little bit off. Crud. Or are we a little bit off, but I just need to, like, negative the vertical offset or something? That would make sense. Hold on. If these are just, like, 4 different configurations of these two things, I think, possibly all I need to do is... I could probably guess the 4th room configuration if we ever have a 180 room. Room 4, yeah. So instead of 18, minus 18. How about them apples? Yes! That looks pretty good. Offset's not looking good. I don't know what's up with that. The problem with this room is that there's enemies in here. Oh, that bench has... Ah, I forgot the bench has collision, so I won't... I guess if I do it this way... It might be like a little too tall. Well. Yeah, you're like not quite at the edge of the map, but that's okay. Yeah, I think that's okay as is. Shit, I can't see my guy. I think I'm getting bit. Yep, I sure am. Ow! It's... Maybe I should also make it so my collisions go away, and that way this gets unplugged me. So now we're at 7. We're at the edge there. I think that's pretty good. I think that's correct. It's just, it's confusing because the benches are in the way and stuff. Oh, fuck. What did I do? Was it just negative whatever the one thing was? I think that was it. I don't think I tweaked anything else after that. Yeah. Alright, cool. Okay, last room. Park seating... Park main. What am I doing in here? Oh yeah, I need to like map out the parameters of the room. Alright, so I'd say the edge of the room is like about over here. This one's gonna be pretty wild to map out, I think. I cannot tell where you're at. .5 might be good for this side. It kind of feels like that's too close. Maybe just a full 14. Yeah. Alright, and... Am I looking at this the right way? No, that's the bottom. Okay. Bottom equals... Okay, so that was negative right, negative top for 90-degree rotation. Yeah, because the right is -7, so you negate that to +7, and the top was 18, so minus that to -18. I'm not even sure if this is correct or not anymore, but whatever. 14. And that's on the Z, so that I think this can be considered an upright room. I'm not sure. This goes all the way over to... Oh, looks like it's perfectly at -14. That sounds like a room I would create. Oh no, I think it's a little bit more. Yeah, it is. Damn you, past Goon! Okay, 15 seems to... -15 seems to be the top. And then... This is... What was that, 30? We can call that 30. I believe that's the right. And then the left would be... Oh, it's 0, yeah. Oh, well, no, because 0 is like kind of where you're standing. which is a little bit bumped out. We'll call it -1 seems like too much. Actually, if 0 is there, maybe that is actually fine. Alright, yeah, we'll call that 0. Left is at 0. Everything else is where it was. Because I don't really need to worry about putting the player back, because it doesn't matter where the player is. Since the room change is what dictates that. Yeah, okay, so now let's do the math. So this is an upright room. Whoa, jeez. This actual room size is going to be 30 wide by 29. That's really obnoxious. I'm not going to adjust the map to reflect that. I think it can remain a square. I think the room is big enough that that, like, single-digit point will not really show too hard, especially if we, like, play with the scale a little bit. So our offset, however, is going to be... I don't know why I moved that over here. So we're in an upright room, so we want the right and the top. 30, -15. That is incorrect. I already know that's incorrect, because if our position is going to be 0, that's over here. So, like, 0 is actually right for the X offset. And then top to bottom, that may be correct, because it'll start up here. We want it to go down. Yeah. Oh, wait, no. Because this starts here, right? If we're at 0, 0, we're here. So we would need to push it up, right? No. I'm doing it backwards. Okay. We'll try it. Oh, you know what it is? Okay, it probably is negative left and top. Which means... I mean, this is positive right. Positive top? I don't know. Well, I don't know if I'll even have a 180 room, but... Let's see how accurate this is. I didn't put the values in, so it's going to be not accurate whatsoever. What in the goddamn... Oh, it spawned me in the spot where you... Okay, that's not good. Wait, what? That is something... Oh! Okay, it slightly matters where you leave the player, I guess. Oops. It's -15. And our scale should be... Oh, right, I didn't do that. So the room size is 500, 500, and we have... What did I say? 30? Yeah. 500 divided by 30. That's six repeating. Blech. Whatever, we can do this. That's the hardest one to change scale-wise on this map, so I'm willing to work around some jank. Round that guy up. Oh, don't run this scene. Don't run that scene either. Dude, stop spawning me in here. I think I accidentally made that happen, but whatever. Alright, let's see how we did. Oof. Where the hell even am I? Okay, no, we're lined up, I'm just... So our X offset may be okay. Need to fix that vertical, though. Oh, right, I'm in map status. I need player. Why is room 2 and 3 active right now? It's weird. So what if we do positive 15 instead? I think that did it. I think I just had that backwards there. Oh yeah, 0 degree offset should be negative left top. Which... Oh no, negative top. There we go. Resident Evil 3 has such intense music. Watch this not be Resident Evil 3. No, it is. I know my Resident Evil chat. Alright, well the corners you can't really get to in this room, but this seems to be working now. Let me go to the... okay, so this... Yeah, that should only be about halfway there, but if I start going up the steps... Which I can't do because I'm in no-clip mode. There we go. Now I can. Yay! Alright. I have a system, chat. I need to document this formally, but we have a system. Let's commit that code, and I might actually cut a build for that and push it to itch.io, because that is like an embarrassing thing that's in the demo right now. Fix map system. Damn it. Fix map system. Logic. And tuned in values for each room in demo. Oh, I almost committed everything. Oh no, actually it... Oh nice, it already cut out the things I don't want to include. User files and whatnot. User files that are unfortunately in the repo, but like... It's done and pushed. Oh! Shoot. Yeah, I said I was gonna implement the, that other thing, but I think instead what I'm gonna do is get this to stop calling itself whenever process is running inside map data. Like, we call refresh map in other places, right? I guess set current room would work too. Move player icon. Wait, that needs a room ID? Oh. I don't use this delta, right? Why the heck did I even pass that down? That's crazy. Chad, apparently the next Tomb Raider Legacy Collection's coming out in like a month or something. I had no... at this point, I thought it was still rumors as to whether or not they were even working on one. It's pretty cool, though. I think I might play those that way instead of on PS1. I know the PS1 versions don't have limited saves in the way 1 and 3 did. But I had a good time playing those, even though 3 was pretty miserable with the way they do saves in that game. I can still recognize that game was very cool. It's just really bad design decision to make the saves the way they are. Okay, let's see if this gets the job done or not, because I think this will work, but I'm not sure either. Yeah, I mean, it seems to be updating. keep forgetting to remove the debug thing up in the corner. Ah, no. Oh, no, I didn't update this. Yeah, okay. Room 2. Positive 15. Let's see if we can quickly implement the warp debug command. Actually, crap. I'll need a UI for that because I'll need to like type that in. Maybe we won't do that tonight, actually. Eventually, though. Oh, I forgot to check it again. Dang it. Wait. Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot forgot that that's this room. Or like that's facing this way on the map. Cool. Yeah, I think that's just a better way to do things. Let's go back to the player scene and turn off that debug UI really quick. Yeah, I think we can implement that under the script, the room hop, but I'll need to like I need a little bit of a UI to like pop open like what room do you want to go to? And I obviously don't worry about, or I don't need to worry about controller support for that one because that's going to be like for development only. Reduced or vastly improved performance map UI by removing map UI update every frame. All right, Chatterinos, I dare say we've done it again. I don't know, was there anything else I wanted to look at while I was doing all this? I think we're good. I think we're pretty much we have fixed the map. Let me I'll just put it in finished. If there's new problems, I'll make a new ticket. Boom. I've completed one of my own tickets, chat. Give myself a pat on the back. Right on time, too. It's like midnight. I guess that is the stream, y'all. Thanks for hanging. Have a goon night. Let's see if we can find somebody to raid.